Students, today we will study chapter 10, Gravitation. The question is state and explain the universal law of gravitation. The universal law of gravitation states that the force of attraction between any two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Suppose two objects of masses m1 and m2 and separated by a distance d, then the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Let us consider two objects of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance d. Then the force of attraction, that means F, is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Say it is equation 1, say it is equation 2. Force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. From 1 and 2 we get force is directly proportional to the product of their masses divided by square of the distance. Now when you change this proportional sign into equal sign, you need a constant. Say G is a constant, where G is a constant called universal gravitational constant, and hence proof. Next question, prove that small g, that means acceleration due to gravity, is equal to capital G into m by r square, when r is the radius of the earth and capital M represents the mass of the earth. Let us consider two objects. This is a mass of capital M, this object of mass small m, and the distance between them is r. Consider two objects of masses capital M and small m and separated by a distance small r. Then by universal law of gravitation we get F is equal to G m into small m divided by r square. Say it is equation number 1. Also by Newton's second law, we get F is equal to mg. In place of A, we can write g. G represents the acceleration due to gravity. From 1 and 2, this side contain the force, this side contain the force. That means these two sides are equal. From 1 and 2, we get mg is equal to this small m will be cancelled out. So small g, that means acceleration due to gravity, is equal to capital G m by r square. If we take the object is on the surface of the earth, then this r represents by the radius of the earth. Therefore, small g is equal to g m by r square, and hence it is proved.